What if the reason most people never make money on YouTube has nothing to do with talent, luck, or the algorithm, but because they try to grow a channel before they understand how money actually flows through the platform? If you've ever looked at YouTube and thought, I can build this, but I don't want to waste years figuring it out, then this video is for you. If you're over 50 and wondering whether YouTube and AI are already behind you, let me put that concern to rest right now. What's changed isn't opportunity, it's the method. Today, ordinary people are using simple automation and AI tools to build income without being on camera, without chasing trends, and without gambling their future. And once you understand the system, everything becomes far simpler. Because right now, there are two types of creators on YouTube. The first type is chasing views. They upload consistently, follow trends, tweak thumbnails, and hope something sticks. The second type is building leverage. They understand how attention turns into trust, how trust turns into influence, and how influence quietly turns into income. Most people are never shown the difference. And here's the uncomfortable truth. A channel can grow without making money. And money can be made without millions of subscribers. The creators who win long-term understand both sides of that blade. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a YouTube channel properly, not just to grow, but to earn. Calmly, strategically, and without turning YouTube into a second full-time job. By the end, you'll understand why most channels plateau, how successful creators design income before virality, and the one shift that makes YouTube finally feel predictable. Let's begin. Let's start by removing the noise. YouTube growth is often framed as a content problem. Better videos, better edits, better hooks. But in reality, YouTube's success is a positioning problem. The platform doesn't reward creators who post the most. It rewards creators who make one clear promise to one clear audience, and then keep that promise repeatedly. This is where most channels break down. They try to be entertaining and educational. They chase views and revenue. They talk to everyone, and connect with no one. If you want to build a channel that makes money, your channel must answer a single quiet question in the viewer's mind. Why should I listen to you about this? Step 1. Build the channel around an outcome, not a topic. Here's the first strategic shift. Your niche is not how to grow on YouTube. Your niche is helping people build a YouTube channel that produces income. That difference matters. Growth is interesting. Income is motivating. Every video you create should move the viewer closer to clarity, confidence, or capability that leads to earning. This doesn't mean every video sells something. It means every video supports the same destination. When viewers understand where you're taking them, they stay longer. They watch more. And YouTube notices. Step 2. Separate growth content from money content, but let them support each other. Here's where the double-edged sword becomes powerful. Most creators either teach growth endlessly and never monetize, or push monetization too early and lose trust. The solution is sequence, not pressure. Your content should fall into 3 calm categories. 1. Foundation content. How YouTube works. What actually matters? What doesn't? 2. Momentum content. Strategy, systems, simplification, leverage. 3. Monetization awareness content. Not selling, revealing how money flows. When people understand how money is made on YouTube, they naturally look for guidance. You don't have to convince them. You simply have to be present when they decide. Step 3. Design for watch time, not virality. Here's something most creators miss. YouTube doesn't reward the best videos. It rewards the best next video. A monetized channel grows when viewers think, "That was useful, what else does this person have?" So your job is not to make every video explode. It's to make every video connect. This is why calm channels win. They don't shock. They don't scream. They guide. And guidance creates trust. Step 4. Monetization is a system, not an event. Let's talk money, calmly. YouTube income doesn't come from one source. It comes from layers. Ad revenue is the smallest layer. Affiliate income scales faster. Products and services create stability. But here's the key insight. You don't monetize views. You monetize intent. When your channel attracts people who want to build, improve, earn, or escape something unsatisfying, monetization becomes a service, not a pitch. Your channel becomes valuable, even with modest traffic. Step 5. Why most people quit right before it works. This is the quiet danger zone. The point where you understand more, your content improves, but results lag behind effort. This phase filters creators. Those who chase motivation quit. Those who follow strategy continue. Calm creators keep publishing because the plan makes sense, even before the results arrive. That's how momentum is built. Remember the question we opened with? Why do so many people fail to make money on YouTube? Because they treat YouTube like a content game, instead of a positioning system. Once you stop chasing views and start designing outcomes. Once you stop reacting and start guiding. Once you build with income in mind, without desperation, YouTube becomes calmer, clearer, and far more predictable. If this video helped you see YouTube differently, that's not an accident. This channel exists to help you build something real, a channel that grows and earns, without burning you out. So here's what to do next. Right finger like this video so YouTube knows it reached the right people. Right finger subscribe if you want calm, strategic guidance instead of hype. Right finger and watch the next video, where we break down exactly how creators turn small channels into consistent income. You don't need millions of views. You need clarity, patience, and a system that works with you. And that's what we're building here.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.